Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate your Facebook dating feature. So first, just make sure that your Facebook is updated. So what you can do is go to Google Play and just search for Facebook. And then from the menu of the Facebook, go to the gear icon and then find personal information and go to your birthday. So you have to edit that, and any changes that you made, you just have to save it. But this time, my birthday from Facebook is correct, so I'm just gonna leave that like that. But if you made your changes, just save it. And then the next thing we can do is to go to settings. We have to allow the Facebook to use our location because that will be used in the future. So just go to apps and permissions under settings and then go to app manager and then find Facebook from there. And then go to app permissions and then go to location permission. Now what I did here is allow only while using the app, but if you have an option for always, you can also use that. Okay, so next I'm going to storage under app permissions as well. So here um, I will just clear the data and clear cache so that every bug in the system will be removed. Okay, that's it. That's how you activate your Facebook dating. I hope this helped. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe.